How to check parts on the Hapag-Lloyd. Here's the website. Alright, so as mentioned in the other video, the information you get from RFID utilizing your document number is going to give you a container number. With that container number, as you see here, you would take that and then place it in the tracking. Like that, right? So it says right here, tracing by container. Your part that you have requested is here's the full tracking list of where it came from. So this is another way to track your parts if you cannot find an IGC or Fed Mall. You go on RFID, then go to Hapag-Lloyd, type in the shipping container number, and you'll be able to track where your parts are. All right.